So hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a very important question for JEE Advance from the chapter Modern Physics. So let's do it. So here is the question. Question says that find the minimum kinetic energy of hydrogen atom so that for an inelastic collision with another hydrogen atom it will emit photon. So here is the question. Question says that one hydrogen atom is at rest and another hydrogen atom with something kinetic energy moving with a velocity v, and it is inelastic collision, so E value is 0. So one condition is that a atom will emit photon when the electron will de-excite. So here the kinetic energy, so electron use the kinetic energy to excite, then when the electron will de-excite it will emit photon. So what's the condition here? Let me see. Here is the electron, here is the electron. So electron use the kinetic energy to excite. Okay, so electron use the kinetic energy for its excitation, and when it will de-excite then it will emit photon. Alright, when the electron will de-excite then it will emit photon. So what is the formula to find the, so here let me tell you, in hydrogen atom what is the minimum energy difference between two cells? That is 10.2 electron volt. Here I am written. So minimum energy difference between first and second cell is 10.2. So here loss of energy, what is the formula to find the loss of energy? So it is half m m1 m2, or say small m capital M, then here plus m1 into v square. It is the formula. So here the mass are same, means both are hydrogen atom, so we can say that half. So we can transfer this formula into kinetic energy, right? Kinetic energy half mv square. So let me write it again. 1 m will be left, and so here 2 m will be written. Here kinetic energy. So alright, so this is a loss energy. So the energy loss is directly taken by the electron for to excite, right? So it must be loss in kinetic energy, loss in the energy loss must be greater than or equal to 10.2 electron volt. So we have to use the minimum energy loss, that is 10.2. so it is m upon 2m into kinetic energy equal to 10.2 electron volt. So here the kinetic energy, the mm will be cancelled, equal to 20.4 electron volt. So the kinetic energy of this hydrogen atom must be 20.4 electron volt, for which there will be emission of photon. So thank you for watching it.